Carroll was a very special time in my life. As a junior or senior, I ended up taking genetics and microbiology, and that kind of really piqued my interest and changed the direction that I took my career, to try to do something that would maybe touch a lot of people, and a lot of people would benefit from it. That kind of led to wanting to do things that were more human related, and so as a postdoc I went to the Blood Center of Southeastern Wisconsin, as it was called at the time, and that led to other studies and projects related to applying molecular genetics to human disease.
I first met Marty when he was actually a postdoc here at Blood Center, and then he became the director of molecular diagnostics laboratory.
Because of the ties between MCW and the Blood Center and Children's, it was thought that I might be a good fit for a position within that group that they were forming, and so I applied and was given the job, and that's kind of how it started. And so since then, our work has focused on applying genetics and genomic approaches to type 1 diabetes.
So in diabetes, the immune system attacks the pancreas instead of attacking, foreign pathogens, etc. And so it's a question of understanding when this happens, because it's hard to tell until all of a sudden the kid's got really high glucose levels because the insulin's gone. When
children come into clinic and they're diagnosed, you're looking at the end. This long preclinical period is an opportunity to intervene, and so if we can identify those children or those patients that would benefit from some type of intervention, this would be useful, and that's what we've spent a lot of time on.
The topic sense is that Dr. Hessner's research has established a paradigm of how to use cutting-edge technology to predict disease before the symptoms of the disease occur. And if you can prevent the disease or prevent the mortality associated with the disease, that's better than trying to treat the symptoms once they're already there.
And so what we'd like to be able to do is distill this down into something that's very cheap and very clinically implementable, so that it can be applied in type 1 diabetes. And the beauty of the approach is that it's applicable not only in disease prediction in type 1 diabetes, it's also usable to measure the response to a therapy.
They're getting a national sort of recognition now in what they're doing.
To be recognized by Carroll is an honor, because Carroll, my time at Carroll and Carroll College was very important, and is very important to me personally.
Marty is, he's deserving of this. First and foremost, he's a wonderful representative of Carroll. If you want an advertisement of the benefits of going to Carroll, you can look to Marty. He's a remarkable scientist. He is a leader both in the scientific as well as in the pediatric community.
Part of his characteristic is just to be really careful, really, focused on what he's doing.
Probably the best way to describe him is a great citizen, and that's important, because many people who are great researchers, because of their research skills, don't have to always be great citizens, particularly within a community, and that's really what a department is.
Congratulations, Marty. It's well-deserved.
Thank you, Marty. Congratulations. You contribute to the department not only through your research, but through your leadership and your citizenship.
I want to keep doing what we're doing. I want to make as big an impact as we can.